Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a password in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Bither application on your device. Now, go to the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you need to find advanced options, which is at the bottom of these options here. Now, click on Change Password option. Then, you will need to type in your old password on the old password field. After typing in your old password, go to the second field and type in the new password. Now, confirm the new password on the second field here. After that, click on OK button. So that is how you can change a password on Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.